You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Gonna be two slightly different pronunciations, British English and American English. Listen carefully here. In British English, in the UK, this is generally pronounced as shawl, with the AW sound, or shawl. Now in American English, it's pronounced rather as shawl. Yes, a more open R sound, which is common in American English. Shawl, shawl. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.